Okay, so let's check which fraction is the smaller fraction. We know if you are looking at denominator, if you are comparing denominator, it has to be a big number. Okay, so but if you are comparing numerator,
Small number.
yes, small number.
Numerator.
Okay, smaller, small number. But when it's denominator, it will be the opposite, it will be big number. Okay, so it depends on whether you are comparing the numerator or comparing the denominator. But we try to make the denominator the same, easier, right? So let's go 3/4 or 7/8. Now let's look at it. Is the numerator the same? No. Is the denominator the same? No. So you got to make them the same. So I will usually choose make the denominator the same. Okay, so write it down. Make denominator the same. So how do I make them the same?
Choose what number can be both have.
Yeah, both half will be 4 times
8.
8 and 8 times 4 because why? Because 4 times 8 is equals to 8 times 4 equals to 32. Okay, so you take the denominators, 4 times 8 and 8 times 4. Okay, so this one will be times 8 times 8. This one will be times 4 times 4. And you should get, what's the first fraction? 24 over 32. Very good. This is also equal to 32, right? Now, what's the next one? What's the next step? Yeah, 7 times 4 is 28. So we compare the numerator, which is 24 versus 28. So which one is the small number? 24, because we are comparing the numerator, right? So you have to look for the small number. So can we write 24 over 32 is smaller?
No.
Why not? It's 24 over 32, right? Must write the original number. Yes, you must write the original number, which is 3/4. 3/5 or 1/4. 3/5 or 1/4. Okay, let's go. Let's look at the numerator. 3 and 1. Are they the same?
No.
Not the same. Then let's look at the denominator. Are they the same?
No.
They are all not the same. So you need to make
Same.
make what the same?
Make denominator the same.
Make the denominator the same, or you can make the numerator the same because 1 and 3 is easy. Yeah, 3 times table, right? I can keep that means 1/4. I can keep the 3/5. And let's look at 1/4, right? How can I make them the same? 1 times what to give you 3?
1 and 3.
1 times 3, yes. After you times 3, you will get 3 out of
3 out of
3 12s. Yes. 3 12s. Okay, so now look at the numerator. The numerator is the same now. Can you see the numerator?
Yes.
Yes, so both the numerator. This is another way, both numerator is 3. So now you compare?
Denominator.
Yes. So now denominator, so you're asking for the smaller fraction, right? So the compare denominator, is it same small fraction, small number?
No.
So you want a small fraction, write it down. You need a, very important, you need a big denominator. So now which one is bigger, 5 or 12?
12.
So 12, wait, can I write 3 12?
No. You must write 1/4.
You must write 1/4 because it's the original fraction, yes. Okay, 1/4.